Never fails. Never fails. You know what I'm saying? We never miss here, my boy. Woo-hoo. Yo, look, he was coming up at the grass right there where that tree, where the log is. And there's probably more all up in this little area. Bam, son. Bam and bam. Tell us how you do it, my boy.
Nice.
Tell you the canal, son. Bitch. I will fuck you up. He's fat. He got a little weight to him.
Might be a female. Look at that.
Yeah, uh-huh.
She's a nice bitch. She's fat. You can tell she's mean. Yeah, that's a female. Look at the gut. She squared as hot now.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, scream, bitch.
Plus, I know they're in here, son. Like, there's little spots all the way back. Like, I won't fish the whole time, like, on the way back there, but I know, like, little pockets to throw it in. Just because I come here so fucking much.
This is so fucking wild. I did get caught up on that seaweed.
Yeah, no, that's why you got to try and keep that shit up top the best of your ability. Because they'll come up for it, especially if you're reeling, if you can get it to slow down for a second while you got it on top. Yeah, I think I got that one. I got that spot. Did you try at the dam? The dam right here.
Alright, help me with this. Get this net off. You gotta like pull up and it's...
No, I know.
Like, that shit is annoying how the jerk when I grab one up. I pull my fucking neck every time.
No, I seen it. And I pulled them out of here, out of both sides.